service counter selling skills, and occasionally life skills in under 60 seconds, or maybe at least under 160 seconds. All right? Look, in my experience, in my observation, and many of you have had this observation as well, fewer customers can mean more money. And what I observe is when things get crazy busy in an auto repair shop and the service counter gets overwhelmed, we start to worry about just the tickets that we write, just the repair orders that we write. And we start to worry about, can the shop out back get the work done if we sell any more work? And so the next thing you know, we're so focused on just what we've written that we get this turnover. We get these customers coming in and coming out, coming in and coming out. And what happens is we don't talk about courtesy inspections. The shop may not be doing courtesy inspections to the level that we usually expect them to. And at the service counter, we're hesitant to sell any work because number one, we're already so busy, and number two, can we actually get the shop to get it done? So what I see numbers-wise, right, because I never like this I think, I feel thing. Numbers-wise, hours per RO drop when car count goes up, and ARO, average repair order dollars, goes down when car count goes up. And this is why. We get busy. The service counter drives it, and the shop drives it. So if we can limit the number of cars every day, even during the busy season, that we work on, we can actually make more money at a higher gross profit with less stress if we don't try to get all of this work in and all of this work done. So think about it. You should be scheduling 2 to 3 repair orders per day per technician, depending on what your technicians can handle. And a third of your total repair orders roughly should be oil changes. Okay? So just think about those guidelines and think about working on fewer cars, but doing a better job selling and a better job with inspections.